All right, well, this is a short review of just ratios that we're doing today. To start things off, every lesson in the first, actually the second chapter and third chapter, involves ratios typically, and we use them frequently thereafter. So it's good to have this skill set down. So that's why we're beginning with this. You recall simplifying each one here. Some of them you're going to be multiplying. So this one here will end up with 7/6. We're going to do a little division as well. And then we're going to do, anyway, so I'll do one of each. 70/42. You can divide them both by, 7. So that gives us 10/6. And I can divide those both by 2, and that gives me 5/3. So there's how we get that answer. Show your work as you do these problems to get full credit. And so here we're to adding fractions. You recall you need a common denominator. So in this case, it would be 6. So we don't add the denominators. We're going to just add the numerators. So that 2, because you had to multiply this by a 2, becomes a 4. And the 1 becomes a 3, because 1 times 3 is 3. So my answer is 7/6. Okay? Multiplying ratios, possibly the simplest thing to do, because we're just going to multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators. So we get 2/6. Don't forget, reduce your ratios. That was the first problem. Remember? Okay. And in a division process, it's very similar, except that we're going to change it to a multiplication. But we have to flip that ratio. See how it flipped upside down? We made a reciprocal. So now we go 1 times 3, 2 times 2, so 3/4 is the answer. Hopefully that made sense. And you can do the other problems as well. When you finish those, go ahead and submit them. And you're done with assignment number 1, a review of ratios.